Good morning, students. Take out your social studies book, pencil box, and your notebook with you. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 7, the coastal plains and island. Okay, but before this, I want to ask one question. What is a coast? Coast क्या होता है? Okay, I will tell you. A coast is a part of land near or adjoining the sea. समुद्र के किनारे का जो भी जमीन होती है उसको हम कहते हैं कोस्ट, कोस्टल रीजन्स. ओके, इन दिस चैप्टर वी will learn about coastal region and islands. Let's start our chapter. Okay, students, see in this map, area. This area in dark shade indicates coastal India's means coastal India, coastal plains, dark shade. Okay, the narrow coastal plains are located on both sides of peninsular India. Peninsular means a land covered with three sides of water. Here is Bay of Bengal, here Arabian Sea, and downside Indian Ocean. Okay, India share largest coastline with Indian Ocean. Okay, in the coastal regions are divided into two parts, western and eastern. Look here, western coast of India and this is eastern coast of India. Understand? Western, it is in west direction and this is in east direction. Understand? Eastern, the western and eastern coastal plains form a V. This is like V, na? V that enclose the plateau region of India. Okay, students? First, we will talk about western coastal plains. The western coastal plains lies between Arabian Sea and Western Ghat. Okay, it is in between Arabian Sea and Western Ghat. This is coastal area. Understand? It stretches from Gujarat. Gujarat is here in north and to Kerala in south. Understand? The western coastal plain is known by different names along its length. इसको इसकी length के अनुसार different name से भी जाना जाता है. Okay? Towards the north, first we talk about the north direction. It is in north. North is always upside. Okay, the north is known as Gujarat coast. Understand, students? The north is known as Gujarat coast. Middle is known as Konkan coast and southern side, it means south side, while towards the south is known as the Malabar coast. The western coastal plain is divided into three parts. North is in Gujarat coast. North is known as Gujarat coast. Middle is known as Konkan coast, and in south direction is known as southern side is known as Malabar coast. Understand? I hope all of you understand. Okay, the Gujarat coast is broadest between the Gulf of Kutch. Here is Gulf of Kutch. Understand? And Gulf of Khambat. Lagoons or backwaters, locally called khals, are found along the Malabar coast, and boat race is very famous in Malabar coast. Understand? I hope all of you